Welcome to Cooking for Baby and Me. Today's featured ingredient is pears, and we'll be making cinnamon and vanilla poached pears and a pear endive salad with goat cheese, walnuts, and balsamic vinegar. Joining me in our Morris Black Kitchen is Dr. Jennifer Janco from St. Luke's University Health Network and Chef Lee Styer. These recipes sound great, so where should we start?
So we're going to start with a few sticks of cinnamon.
Okay. Okay.
We're going to add some honey.
That was easy enough.
Yeah, it's very, very simple.
And again, I've never cooked with a full stick of cinnamon, have you?
You know, I've stirred some cider. I've mulled cider. You use some cinnamon sticks to mull cider. See, look at me showing my cinnamon knowledge.
But it's a lot easier than it looks.
Yes.
So
and then we're going to add the vanilla extract.
Okay.
And water. We're just going to bring that to a boil and then add the pears. While that heats up,
easy.
You guys can start the vinaigrette over here.
All right, point us in the right direction.
So why don't you go ahead, doctor?
All right, tell me what to do.
You can start with the Dijon mustard.
Guessing I don't put the whole thing.
No, you can use a little bit. I can use a spoon. Maybe like a tablespoon or so.
Tablespoon or so.
Same with the shallots. Then you can add maybe about half that.
Balsamic,
vinegar.
half the container.
Yes. And you just whisk that together.
And while she's making the dressing.
While you're doing that, I'm going to cut the pears and put them in the poaching liquid.
Okay.
Okay, so you don't put them in whole. You're going to cut them
Yeah,
up.
we're going to cut them and take the seeds out.
And so what are some health benefits to pears?
So pears have definitely, you're going to get your vitamins and things out of that. You're getting your vitamin C. Vitamin C can help with wound healing. So as little kids are starting to walk around, you want to make sure they have good vitamin C in their diet. Also, pears tend to be a winter type of fruit, so you might not be able to get them all year round, but in the winter, having plenty of vitamin C in your diet from an infection standpoint is always good to have.
And when
too.
can you introduce pears to your children?
You know, it's one of the first foods, so around that 6 months of age, from a texture standpoint for a 6-month-old, you just want to make sure it's not like a chunk of uncooked pear, but as I'm sure Chef is going to cook it, it's going to poach down into something that's soft and easy to take.
Absolutely. So we're going to go ahead and put these in the liquid.
Okay.
And we're just going to simmer these for maybe about 5 to 7 minutes.
Okay.
Are we adding any olive oil to that?
Yep, so now that's all together. Now we could whisk in
How much?
maybe half that olive oil.
Half the container of olive oil.
So this is Belgian endive, you can cut in half.
And endive seems to be a little bit more bitter with flavor,
Yes,
correct?
a little bit, that's right.
Again, or just like so?
That's fine, and I would just cut this way.
Okay, like little strips?
However big you want for your salad. So once that's all cut up, we can add that to the bowl, as well as the pears.
So I see different kinds of pears that
Yes,
you're
so
using.
we're poaching, these are called Basque pears. They're a little harder. And these are called Anjou pears, more like ones we're used to around here, and they're softer.
And you're keeping the skin on
Yep.
for the salad. And that's where most of the vitamins
You're going to get
are.
some fiber, you're going to get some the health benefits by being able to take the whole fruit, minus the seeds, minus the core.
Just going to mix in some of the vinaigrette, some parsley.
Okay.
Okay, parsley.
And it looks like we're just going to add a few little toppings,
Okay. Yep.
which
So
will
we
just
have
take one
some
quick second.
toasted walnuts, and then a little bit of fresh goat cheese.
I love a good salad because you can have this for dinner with a nice piece of protein on top, and there's your
absolutely.
meal.
Yep.
So it's always good to have different ideas for salads.
All right, great. So the pears are almost done. They've been boiling for about 4 to 5 minutes.
Okay.
So now we could just take those out and put them on our plate here.
Fantastic.
And we'll start with the salad.
Alrighty. Get a
So
little
make
cheese.
sure you get, a little cheese, a little
the
piece
lettuce.
of pear.
Really, really good. I think making that dressing at home is so much better.
Your dressing was amazing.
It was fantastic.
Good job,
All right,
doctor.
thank you.
Excellent. Okay, why don't we try the pear?
Okay. That is fantastic. Parents absolutely need to make this for their children. If they don't eat fruit, they'll eat it like this.
Definitely.